Today we're gonna learn some fruits and vegetables. Here we got a strawberry. Yay! This is a pumpkin. Let's slice it open. Yay!
Tomato.
What next? What is that?
Tomato.
Yeah, it's a tomato. Yay!
Tomato.
Tomato. Here we got a corn.
Corn.
Let's cut the corn. Yay! Clean up the corn, yeah.
Corn.
This is a grape.
Cat.
Can you cut the grape, please? Well done!
Mama.
What is this?
Banana.
Yay, it's a banana. Wow!
Mama, banana.
This is a watermelon.
Metabooz.
Let's slice it open. Watermelon. Here we got a carrot. Let's cut the carrot. Great job! Let's clean up the carrot. This is a green pepper. Let's slice it open. Yay! Green pepper. What is this?
Apple.
Yay! It's an apple.
Apple.
Wow! What is this?
It's this.
Yay!
Yay.
What is this?
Pineapple.
Yeah, it's a pineapple. Well done, guys. See you all very soon. Bye bye.